To create a resume in Canva, start by opening Canva and logging into your account. On the home page, type resume in the search bar and select a resume template size. Browse through the available resume templates and choose a design that fits your style or job role. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Next, replace the sample text with your own information. Add your name, job title, contact details, work experience, education, and skills. By clicking on each text box and typing your details, use the top toolbar to customize the font, size, color, and spacing to keep your resume clean and professional. You can also adjust layout elements like lines, shapes, or icons to improve readability. If needed, upload your photo using the Uploads tab and place it neatly on the resume. Make sure your content is clear, consistent, and easy to read. Once finished, click Share or Download, then choose PDF Print for the best quality. And that's how you can easily create a professional resume using Canva.